respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Riya Agrawal from class 8 from Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangar. Here I am going to give a presentation on the topic what role does patriotism play in our life. Patriotism means a noble sentiment of love, pride and sacrifice for the sake of our country and its people. A person who supported his country and is prepared to defeat its against enemies is known as patriot. The passion of patriotism is said to be flow in the blood of countrymen. Patriotism and nationalism are the two sides of the one coin. In nationalism, the nation has symbolic representation to have freedom from an ethnic group, while in patriotism, the nation itself had the highest value. People express their patriotism in different ways and in different roles. For example, soldiers, scientists, doctors, politicians, and other works. They show their works by their patriotism through their hard work in their profession. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you for listening me.
Hello everyone, happy Independence Day. I am Adar Patel from Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangar from class 8. Today I am going to tell you about what role does patriotism play in our life. Patriotism is a feeling or sentiment of love, nationality and sacrifice. It supports country to develop. A truly developed country is made up of true patriots. Patriotism virtue pushes to citizens of people to work hard for their country selflessly and make it better. Patriots are always ready to sacrifice. Pupils express their patriotism by work hard on their profession. Like in pandemic, doctors and nurses prove their devotion toward their country, and soldiers always ready to sacrifice their life on war, working towards the Swachh Bharat, not breaking rules, work for the development of country. These are also some examples of patriotism. Thank you. Satyamev Jayate.
Good morning everyone, my name is Khushi Agrawal. I study in class 8. My school name is Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangar. Today my topic is each competition on what role does patriotism play in our life. Patriotism means a noble sentiment of love, pride and sacrifice for the sake of one's country and its people. A person who supports his or her country and is prepared to defend it against enemies or detractors is known as a patriot. Singing slogans of Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Hind, these patriots went to the cross for the country with a smile on their faces and pride in their hearts. The history of India's freedom struggle shines through the immortal courage of the heroic personalities like Veer Damodar Savarkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many more who lived in the age of national upsurge and sacrificed their life for the sake of their country in India. Thank you for listening me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone, myself Jaya Patel from class 8 Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangar. Today I am telling you that what role does patriotism plays in our life. To me, patriotism means supporting our country in good times or bad. To never lose faith in our country, flying the flag to show respect and devotion to our country, and honoring those who have served in the defense of this nation, both living and dead, retired or active. Patriotism includes the feeling of pride and respecting the values of our nation. Many of our freedom fighters dedicated their lives for independence. The nation provides us with a sense of identity. It is our moral duty to respect our country and support it as citizens. Although arguments for the patriotism as a moral duty are inadequate, patriotism brings a plethora of important practical benefits. It promotes public sacrifices that is crucial to the functioning of the state, decrease the likelihood of conflict, reduce corruption, and is extremely inclusive as an identity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddhi Singh Thakur from class 8 from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sir. Today my presentation is on what role does parasitism plays in our life. Parasitism is defined as love for our devotion to one's country. Parasitism is a concept which brings people together. A sense of solidarity and love for our country is a sentiment which blinds. When you see someone displaying our country's flag or when you hear songs related to our country and the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters for our nation, this often lighter your mood and make you feel even more parasitic, knowing that the love for this country is strong. Parasitism comes in all forms. Embracing parasitism will so much needed support for our country and help to create a stronger, more unified nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.